Nigeria built the most sensational and the most iconic rail line in Africa. The rail project is set to connect Lagos, Nigeria to the far north of the central Nigeria through Kano, Nigeria. Nigeria Rail Line is set to connect about 765 passengers per hour. Nigeria Rail Project will move about 675 tons of weight away from Nigeria. With Nigerian night workers to move about 612 tons of weight around Nigeria cities. Nigeria project is the fastest and the most iconic project train line ever built in Africa.